Be careful.
Alright, I went to her room and she was crying and
Cadence, keep your hands to yourself.
she started kissing me because I was comforting her. And then the next thing I knew, I was kissing her because she had been kissing me because the comfort. She was taking my clothes off and then her clothes were off. Then she performed 10 or 15 seconds of oral sex.
Okay.
At the most, maximum.
Rudo, no nibbling.
The only reason I'm telling you this is because I really care about you.
I didn't understand. I understand. You acting like a sweet accent.
Rudo, be nice.
You should not be.
I know that there is something here. I know that I was not wrong about that. And yes, it's only been 4 days, but I know you feel it too.
Cadence Taylor, come here. Hey, Cade, come here. The doggies are playing. Oh, dear Lord. Are you looking at him? Did you see Rudo? Come here, baby. Watch out. What are you doing, baby?
Don't be stupid, bro.
Rudo, don't eat that. Rudo.
You can hit me as many times as you want. I'm not hitting you.
Wait, Novi, come here. Don't go in there. November. You don't go in there. The baby's in there. Come here, Novi. Come here. Oh, hey, Rudo.